Let's learn how you can fix Facebook application not loading. So here are 3 things you can do and try to fix Facebook application. First one is to check your internet connection. To do that, you'll just have to open Control Center on any phone. Now you'll have to hold on this Wi-Fi icon and open Wi-Fi settings and check if your network is running and everything is okay. Now, what else you can check is open and turn on this airplane mode, hold it for 10 seconds, then turn it off and turn your Wi-Fi again. If it connects and everything and Facebook still doesn't want to load, you can try and go to settings, then go to general and iPhone storage, then scroll down until you find Facebook application and just click this offload button to offload the application. It will just reinstall Facebook and maybe fix this problem. Third method you can do is to try and Google if Facebook servers are down. If they are down, Facebook will post it somewhere and you'll get the news and information. So you'll just have to wait until Facebook fix their servers and it will turn back on by itself. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.